Hello everyone, good evening. So tonight I'll be sharing with you the solutions of the practice problems I gave you in the past. So let's start with the trigonometric integrals form number 1. What is the integral of cosine squared 2x in terms of x? So as you can see, the exponent of cosine is even. So the strategy here is to reduce the exponent, and we use the trigonometric formula cosine square x equal to 1/2 of 1 plus cosine of 2x. This is the formula for cosine square x, but as you can see, the integrand is cosine square of 2x. Therefore, using this formula, this is equal to 1/2 times 1 plus cosine 2 of the angle. So that's 2 times 2x. In this case, we have 4x. So let me enclose this part here because we will be using that in our solution. So in other words, this integral is equal to the integral of 1/2 times 1 plus cosine of 4x in terms of dx. Then, factoring out the constant 1/2, integrate the remaining factor 1 plus cosine of 4x dx. We have now 1/2 times the antiderivative of 1 is x plus antiderivative of cosine 4x is 1/4. This comes from 4x in the substitution times the antiderivative of cosine, which is sine 4x plus c. Therefore, the final answer is 1/2 x plus 1/8 sine of 4x plus c. Okay, that's it. Now, let us look at another example. Integral of sine to the 4th 2x. Let's have x. Sine to the 4th x dx. As you can notice, the exponent is again even, so the strategy is to reduce the exponent using our trigonometric formulas. So we use sine square of x. This is equal to 1/2 times 1 minus cosine of 2x. That's it. This is the formula for sine square. But as you can see in the integrand, the given is sine to the 4th x. So to get this, we simply have to square sine square. So squaring the right-hand side, we have 1/4 times 1 minus cosine of 2x square. Expanding the product, we have 1/4 times 1 minus 2 cosine of 2x plus the square of the last, so that is cosine square of 2x. That's it. So meaning this is our sine to the 4th x. Let me enclose this one. Now, what do we have here now? So, substituting, we have integral of 1/4. We have a 1/4, so I will write that outside the integral. 1/4 integral of 1 minus 2 cosine of 2x plus cosine square 2x integrate with respect to x. Okay, let's do this one by one. So now I have this constant 1/4. Antiderivative of 1 is x minus 2. Antiderivative of cosine 2x is 1/2 sine of 2x plus the antiderivative of cosine squared 2x is actually problem number 1. So I simply have to copy all of this. So plus, copying this here, I have 1/2 x plus 1/8 sine of 4x plus c. Okay, let's continue. Continuing, I have here, excuse me anak, 1/4 times x minus sine of 2x plus 1/2 x. Oh wait, you can actually combine x and here, combine x and 1/2 x, and that will give us 3/2. Excuse me anak, x. This one is already sine 2x, and copy the remaining, which is 1/8 sine of 4x plus c. Therefore, the final answer is multiplying 1/4 to the entire expression inside the bracket. So we have 3/8 x minus 1/4 sine of 2x plus 1/32 sine of 4x plus c. So this is now the final answer. Okay, I'll see you in the next video for more examples sa atong Form 1. Goodbye everyone.